Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 5 of this office building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish adding all the doors and also the elevator. And one thing that I miss is we need an access on this side. So I'm just going to extend this wall and then click on this wall and then type in CS in order to add a wall right here. We could make this bigger. So maybe let's move this. So around 1500 is good. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim this part. Or instead of trimming, what we could do is we could move this all the way up there. For this, we could trim. So TR, so trim and extend. And then we need two doors, CS right here. We could put is one on this side and this side. So the security will need to go here, and this will be their area, and this will be for the this open office, and the office is right here. So that will be good. Um, what we could do is we could tag in all the office or the rooms so that at least you will know which one's which. So here I'm gonna go to architecture and click on room, and then we will need to add each and every one of this. Okay, this will be open area. Even here we could add in open area, so this will be all of that, and just keep on adding because we could change that later on. Don't worry about how big this is because we could change the scale, and for this one we could add in right about there, this area, and then this as well. So it's just better to add everything. This will be the lobby. And obviously we're not yet done with this. We will need to add in some furniture or some of the toilets and those kind of stuff so that you will be aware. And this is not just it. What we could do is we could align them all together so it's good. So make sure that you just align everything all together like that. And then we're gonna start, obviously for this will be offices. So make sure it's all capital letters. And we could just copy and paste it here. And then here as well. And then for the sides here, this will be an office, and this will be office. This will be the service. This will be lobby. This will be men's washroom, women's washroom. This will be stairs. Okay. Mechanical room. Electrical. Games room. This will be security. Open office. So they could put cubicles. Open office as well here. This will be the boardroom. Meeting. This is another meeting room. Open office. This will be the lunchroom. And I just noticed that there's no door right here. It's a good thing that we were able to see that. CS. And then here we could just add the door right here. So this will be the lunchroom for everyone. This is part of the open office. This will be storage. We could have a phone room for privacy. This will be storage. And this will be our shower room. And I just want to double check everything. Here will be the IT. Another phone room. This will be another stairs. This we're just gonna put tel and then elect. Okay, so let's double check if we were able to add everything. Office, and want to make sure that this is all aligned all together. So yeah, so I'm happy with this. Obviously we're gonna change this, but later on we're gonna figure that out, because what we need to do is we need to group this and put it to second floor, but on the second floor or level 2 we're gonna change this a bit because we need to extend this wall up to here, and And obviously we don't have the lobby there anymore, so we're gonna convert this space to open space and some offices. So that's what we're gonna do. But for now, let's maintain this. And then what you can do is we could change the scale. Sorry, so we need to make this one 1 to 50 in order for us, for all these tags, the room tags, to be smaller. So this one is an office. This is corridor, service line, and I'm just double checking everything. And I'm happy with this. We could basically, once we copy this all together, we will be able to do all the furniture on the second floor. Um, Basically the fixtures only, not some furniture, because that's the only thing that you need. The things that are that it's not moved, so dead loads. So those are um, toilets, sink. So we just need to show that. For the furniture, yeah, we could add some, but not a lot, because at least you just need to make sure that this is all done. So we could do the stairs as well. So that's what we're gonna focus on now here. So after we put the tag, let's add in the stairs, because that's something that we could also copy um, all the way up. So what we could do is we could go to architecture and click on stairs. So obviously we're gonna go from level 1 to level 2, and we just need for this to be going up. So it already calculated everything. So we need we wanted 20, or you could change this to whatever you want. So depending on how many do you want. So I'll just make this one even. So 10, and then on the other side as well, another 10. So this is looks nice. It created my landing. Depending on your building code, this differs. So some 1500. So that's the typical landing. So there's a minimum and maximum. I think for the maximum, you don't need any for this. But let's finish this first so that we can move it to the location. So I think around 1200 is good enough for this. But let's see. So let's just leave it like that for now. We could just leave it like this, and then this, we just need to make sure that this is going up like that. So that's good. We can also copy it on the other side, because I believe we were able to do this same size, I believe. I can't remember, but we could just do a 180 and then just drag it. What what we could do is we could just move this down so that this will fit, so that we will have the same as the other. And then here we could just move this 2 doors right here. Obviously, this one we just need to edit a little bit. So edit, let's change this. So let's do around 1300. Click finish, and then click this one again, and then just move it backward like that. So that's good enough. We could move it like that. And here we just need a visual on which way is it going. So for me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this on the other side because I want it to be connected on the door. So, but it doesn't matter because they could always just go here. So we could just leave it like that because you could just flip it around like that, and then now this will be going up. So as you can see, a simple flip will flip the orientation of the stairs. So I'm happy with this. I'm happy with the gap as well. So yeah, around 1100 will be good enough. So we just move this one a little bit like so. This is are the dimension around 2585, and this one 2265. So that will be fine. And then let's just fix this detailed line. Okay. And then let's insert the fixtures. Those are the ones that doesn't change at all. So Canada, and then go to plumbing, architecture, fixtures, and let's go to urinals. I'm just gonna use the 2D. I don't need to show the 3D unless you're doing a rendering. So that will be good. So once you loaded, you will need to press CM. So where's my washroom again? That's right here. So CM, and then the urinals will appear like that. So most of the time you put the urinals like that. Okay. And maybe we could just keep on copying. And let's just space it out. Okay. Okay, so similar to that, I'm happy with the spacing. And obviously we need some cubicles, and then we could add in the sink right here. So let's load more. So water closet, we need this. So 2D is good enough. And then CM again. We need it right here. And obviously we need walls. So 3 is good. So for women's, we need to add it. So now that we add, we can press NCS. So create similar. Let's move it like that. And maybe we could just manually or just create the stalls. It doesn't need to be good enough. So click on walls and then let's edit type, duplicate this, stalls, edit. Let's leave it at gypsum board 50 and then just create it like that. So just walls, extend this, and then just keep on creating. So we can do CS and then CS here. And then make sure that you have spacing here and then space like that. Maybe we could just mirror this. I'm gonna mirror this right here and then just extend this one all the way there. Around 1400 and then 1400 as well here. And then we need the sink. We can add it here and then here as well. So for the men's, we could basically add 2 urinals or 3 urinals here and then just make this one. Yeah, we could do that instead. Okay, let's remove this. And then we need to insert the sink. Let's do a round. So let's do this round. And then type in CM. And then let's add it like that. And then let's move it later on. Needs to be here. This one will be good enough. Like that. Three of this will be good enough. Spacing. And then let's not forget so I'm gonna click on this CS. I'm gonna add one first and then click on that one so that we could change it to a smaller. Let's try smaller one around 500 and flip it on the other side. Okay, so CS, and let's use this like that. And obviously we need more space. I'm gonna leave 2 and move it like that. More spacing. Something like that. Around 1460. So this will be needs changes as well. But we need CS right here. Change here as well. So I'm happy with that. Go to annotate. We need to detail some. Choose the thin line. And we just need to add this. Okay. Also here on this spot. So CS. And here as well. And we just need to make it, or to pull them together like that. And then pull this one down. Okay, so I'm happy with this. We just need to make sure that everything is aligned as well, even for this. Let's remove here, and then just move this one some space. And that's good enough. We could just add this wall some privacy, something like that. Okay, so that's good. This one has privacy as well. And here, because the location of the door, we can actually do it right here. It's in the weird spot that it needs to be changed. But what, yeah, we could do that. I rather see it now and then just flip this. Okay, and for the janitor, I forgot to add this tag. So the room tag, I'm gonna go back and just add this monitor. Okay, just give it some space. This one will be good enough like that. Just give it some space like that, and we're good to go. And then here we just need to move it a little bit like that, so that we could add in at least 3. We might add 4 actually, and just space it out. Okay, and then the detail line, and then we're done. Also here, I just want to change this a little bit. So I'm gonna delete this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this one all the way right here, flip this, and flip this again. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this, select all of them, all the sync, and just move it on this side. And then click on this and then CS. So I'm happy with this. Instead, so just a quick change, and then I know that we forgot to tag this, so this will be storage. Okay, so looks like everything is good. I'm happy on what we have accomplished here. Um, we're gonna continue on the next video. So thank you for watching and hope you like the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.